last syllable place, second from last. This will be pronounced very well. Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico. Mexico. Mexico. And plural of Azteca. Fresco zero. Azteca.
Azteca.
It's the H. Right? So, two L's, just for those of us who read Spanish. Two L's. This is not an A. So that everyone, tamali, that's a tamal, right? You'd be surprised how much Nahuatl you know already. What is that? Molly? By the way, just to illustrate what I said earlier about O's and U's, sometimes this is pronounced as what? Muli, rather than Molly. I think the O sound is probably more archaic, so I'm using the O. But don't be surprised if you come across it as a B.
Got a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Sochi, you could also say sushi.
Not in Nahuatl. In Nahuatl, it would be shochi, but it is then Hispanicized to either Sochi or Suchi. For example, flour known as cempasúchil is called in Spanish by some people cempasúchil. There was even a song, a corrido, which was banned from Mexican radio about 20, 25 years ago because it was the corrido de Juan Patatucci. His mother was una bruja que se llamaba Xochitl, the bruja. Juan Patatucci, hijo de Suchi. So they banned it for that reason. So that illustrates the volumes of pronunciation. Okay, we have a question for origin of the word Azteca. I mentioned that whenever you have plan, it's a place name. So, Zapotlan, land of Zapote, right? Whenever a word ends in plan, if you want to say person from, this is replaced by teca. So that a person from Zapotlan would be Zapoteca. I'm using the hyphen to illustrate that. If you have Aztlan, place of Aztli, which is literally wing, then this would be what? Teca.
Azteca.
And this would be Azteca, person from here. Now, with regard to Aztlan, as it stands, Aztlan, there is a word in Nahuatl, Aztli, which means wings. So this literally would be land of the wings. However, we find that some people claim that it is actually that Aztlan is a deformation of Aztatlan. Land of Aztat, which is a stork. Land of the storks, one type of bird. That's possible as well. Or that it is a deformation of Atzalan. Atzalan means in the middle of, and this is water. Land in the middle of the water, that's possible also. But as the word stands, Aztlan, it means land of wings. If this is in fact a transformation of this or this, well, that's a different matter.
What does Itza mean?
I'm sorry?
Itza?
Spell it? Like that? I don't know, it's not know. Anytime you see eats, eats means obsidian, which is black volcanic rock. Yes?
What about Ishtemok? Ishtemok?
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. The way it stands, there's a verb, temo, which means to descend. Temok is what is called a, well, we can call it a singular marker for the predator tense. It makes it an agent. One who descends, and then ish can be either eye or face, right? So, ishtemo, one who descends like an eye or face, or one who is down, right, at the eye, opogacho, right? Could be that.
Thank you.
It's like ishwaya. Something has become, is elongated at the face, long face.